Alright, where's the shallow part? You ready?
Yeah.
Did you want to put your feet up this way?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, you'll just get wet?
Yeah.
Alright.
To get my nose wet, but you know.
I got a soaker. My boot is full, like right full. But that's okay, it's nice and cool.